Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M31s. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app and tab button in the right corner. Enter settings and go to Google Assistant. Enter voice match and enable this function. Let's go back, enter lock screen, and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?"
There will be rain and snow with a high of 40 and a low of 38.
If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.